In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend Klaviyo campaign to unopened. Resending a campaign to people who didn't open it the first time is a great way to increase your reach without creating a brand new email from scratch. I'll walk you through how to do this in the latest Klaviyo interface, step by step, so you can safely target only those subscribers who missed your original send. First, head into your Klaviyo account and look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Campaigns. This is where all of your past and current email campaigns live. Take a moment to find the specific campaign you already sent and want to resend to non-openers. You might want to sort by date or search by campaign name to locate it quickly. Once you've found that campaign in the list, look to the right of its name. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Clone. Cloning creates an exact copy of your original campaign, including the audience, content, and settings, so you don't have to rebuild anything manually. After you've cloned the campaign, you'll be taken into the setup for this new version. In the Send to section, you'll see the original list or segment that received your first email. Keep that same list selected. This is important because we're going to filter out people who already opened, not change who the campaign is for. Now, to add that filter, look for the plus icon next to the audience settings. Click the plus button to create an exclusion rule. In the options that appear, choose Don't Send to People Who, and then select Opened Email. Next, set it to At Least Once. And finally, choose Since, and enter the date and time of your original campaign send. This tells Klaviyo to exclude anyone who has opened that original campaign, even if they opened it days later. With the audience filter in place, click Continue to Content. Here you'll see the original email design, which you can keep as is or tweak slightly. At a minimum, update your subject line so it doesn't look identical to the first send. A fresh subject can improve your chances of getting those unopened subscribers to notice and engage. When you're happy with everything, click Schedule or Send. You can either send it immediately or schedule it for a later time that fits your audience's behavior. And that's all you need to resend a Klaviyo campaign only to people who didn't open it the first time.